Hello, everybody. Dan here with the Wealth Instinct. I wanted to share with you my latest article, Affiliate Marketing. What is it and why you should be doing it? But first, if I could ask a favor, if you could subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so you get updates, and share this article with a friend if you know anyone who might benefit from it. I share articles about business, primarily online business, and also personal development. So affiliate marketing, it's a term if you've been looking into business or online business or making money online, you've probably heard the term affiliate marketing. And I think a lot of people don't really understand what it is. So I just wanted to share a quick article about what affiliate marketing is. And basically, companies, instead of just spending tons of money on advertising, what they do is they create affiliate programs. And affiliate programs allow pretty much anyone to sign up and then get a special link to promote the product or service. And when people buy the product or service using your link, you get a commission. So that's kind of the very most basic explanation of it. But what affiliate marketers do is they're basically bloggers, and a lot of them are big on YouTube, and they'll just produce a lot of content. They'll produce a lot of articles, product reviews, educational articles. They'll produce videos about specific topics, and they'll usually have a pretty strong social media presence where they share their articles and build their audience. And they'll just share offers and earn commission. And you can actually do pretty well doing it. I would say, I was 90% of the people that do it don't really stick around long enough to make much money, but the ones that do stick with it and have a good strategy can actually do really well. And that's a big point. This is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. This is not, it's not something that you can build overnight and quit your day job. It takes time. But if you're willing to work and put in the effort and stick with it, you can do really well. So I want to share with you what I think are some of the most important steps and how to get started. So the first thing you want to do is choose a niche. And basically this is like a product area. So it could be health and fitness, or it could be even more specific, weight loss, or it could be fashion, or it could be, and even in fashion, like someone could specialize just in watches or just in purses or certain product lines. It could be automotive. It could be online business tools or things like that. So there's a lot of different options, and you want to think about what you choose and make sure that it's a viable business, that there's actually money to be made in the offers that are available. But you also want to choose something that you enjoy, right? This should be something that you can kind of geek out about, something that you like want to become an expert in, something that you want to spend hours researching and sharing, because that's what you're going to end up doing, right? You're going to end up becoming an expert in whatever area you choose. And you don't need to be an expert already. Like you can be a total beginner, but just over time as you research and share, you're going to become an expert. So you should pick something that you actually that interests you. You don't have to necessarily be passionate about it, but it helps if you are, and it should at least interest you, because the building phase can take a long time. And if it's not something you enjoy, then you're going to give up and quit before you've done it long enough to really make it profitable. So I think it's really important to choose a niche and choose it carefully, something that's has good offers and good market, but also something that really interests you. And then you want to create a brand around that niche, right? So if it's a weight loss niche, you want to have a brand that would attract customers that are looking for weight loss products, right? If it's a wealth building niche, you want it to be something that talks or that has something to do with wealth or affluence in the name, right? If it's automotive, it should sound kind of automotive, right? You really want to pick a brand name, and you can brand your own name too, but you by having a brand, someone who doesn't know you can just read that name and have a good idea of what it's about, and get some idea when they go to your website and they go to your YouTube channel, kind of the type of content they're going to get, right? And so when you create the brand, you also want to get a domain name, so you have a website. You want to have a branded email address. You want to have a logo designed, right? So you want it to have a cohesive look, branding, maybe even like a slogan, or maybe like a vision or mission statement, even, all that stuff. And you don't have to start with that, but over time you might want to develop that. And then you want to start doing research, right? So you want to learn everything you can about your niche. You want to find out who are the experts in your niche, like who should you be following, who can you learn from. You want to find out what's the market like in your niche. You want to find out what offers are available, right? So you just want to learn as much as you can. And then there's a lot of different tools you can set up. So at the most basic level, all you really need is a YouTube channel and some social media. And you can make videos and share the content on social media. If you want to go another step, I would say definitely get a website with a WordPress plugin, so you can actually have a blog. There's other sites you can blog from, but you want to have like written content, you want video content, you want social media, and then one of the most important things is your email host, or your email. Like Aweber is one. There's a lot of different ones, but you want a place to collect email lists, and you want to be able to send out. You want to have an autoresponder where when people share their email address with you, they get an automatic reply saying, "Welcome to my email list," or my whatever, and then it'll maybe send them an email every day for 7 days or something like that. And then you can also send out broadcast emails where you send it out to your list and share your latest post. You can share offers and things like that. So that's a really really important one. And then there's other sites like ClickFunnels, where you can basically build like a very, very simple landing page where people, all it really does is collect an email address, and it might play a video or something like that. It's very, very simple, very basic. And if you just have like a ClickFunnels and an email autoresponder, that you can do a lot just with that. I think it's really good to have also a YouTube channel and a blog, and just kind of the basic tools. And then you want to look at offers to promote. And so you can basically, you could pick any product on Amazon and write a review and share a link. And then if people click on your link and go buy something, you get a percentage, right? And it's their whole cart, right? So like they might go buy some other stuff, and then you can get paid off of that. And then you can promote pretty much any product there is. So that's one option. And then a lot of people will specialize a little bit more than that. So like you might go to a site like ClickBank and find a weight loss product, and then you have a whole website and YouTube channel and blog all about weight loss and your weight loss journey and weight loss stories and reviews, and you just share your product offers. You might have a few, right? So there's different ways to do it. Some people really specialize in one product, right? They might specialize in one niche and have a few products. If they've been doing it for a while, then they might have a few niches and multiple products. But it's really good to start just with one niche, especially because there's a lot to learn, and you want to learn everything you can and set up one niche and get that running kind of smooth, and then start branching off into others. I think that's really the best way to do it. But the most important thing is that you're building your email list, because that's really the most valuable thing you're going to build. You're building an email list that's a very targeted market, right? So it's very specific to whatever your niche is. It could be weight loss, it could be more general health and fitness, it could be specific to men, it could be specific to women, it could be specific to certain fashion areas. It could be specific to people who want to do online business, right? So you're building this list of people that you could market other things to. And so that's where the value comes from. And so you really want to work on building that list. You don't want to just share your affiliate links and hope they buy, right? You want to be able to collect their email address and follow up because that's the fortunes in the follow up, as they say. So if you are serious about looking into affiliate marketing or any online business, I really think you should check out the Entre Institute. They're basically, trying to establish themselves as the go-to source for online business education, and they've built a pretty impressive curriculum so far. And they have this blueprint course you can take, and it's pretty cheap. It's like 39 bucks, but it's very worth it. It's very well done, and if you're thinking about doing online business, this course is going to help you to really wrap your head around the opportunities, because you've probably heard a lot of different things. You've heard of Shopify, and you've heard of Poshmark, and you've heard of drop shipping and e-commerce and affiliate marketing. You heard all these terms that get thrown around, and a lot of people make big claims. But Jeff Lerner has a really good way of breaking it down and kind of reviewing it all and laying it out in a way that I think is easy to understand. And so just going through that course is really going to give you some insights into the world of e-commerce and what the opportunities are, and if it's a good fit for you or not. And so just figuring that out, I think, is a good thing to do, and a good next step if you're really interested in getting into online business or affiliate marketing and you're not sure what to do next. And they have a lot of other courses and things you can look into if you're interested, but I think that's a great place to start. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you could do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications, and share this with any friends who you think might benefit from it. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.